Enable Wi-Fi Direct from the printer control panel and then print from an Android device directly to your HP LaserJet Pro printer. On the control panel, navigate to and open the Wi-Fi Direct status setting and then turn it on. Stay near your printer for the remaining steps. On your Android device, install or open the HP Print Service plugin from the Google Play Store. Expand the notifications dashboard and enable Wi-Fi. You do not need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open the document you want to print. Tap the print icon or tap to expand the More Options section, and then tap Print. Expand the printer list, and then tap your printer with Direct in the name. On the control panel, touch OK to confirm the connection. Back on your Android device, tap the print icon to print the document using Wi-Fi Direct.